Okay, we're lot 20. This is update number 4. Wow, what a couple days of nice weather does. We've got all the blocks sitting out here. We'll be knocking this out soon. And that's what it will start looking like. That's only like a day and a half and they've got all that done. That's beautiful. These guys are really working it. I'll come out here tomorrow and check and see where they're at so we can kind of show you some different things. I want to show you why they have the holes at the bottom of the walls and explain a couple of different things like that to you. Remember, I was talking about this rebar, and we'll just kind of fill you in on that. The place is looking beautiful. You can see that they're cleaning up all around the lake to get it ready for sod. You can see the sod out there in the distance. You see the big truck up there in the sand pile. And they're just really going to town now that the weather's good. They got all their sod ready for the lake, so we'll let you guys know.